स्विमिंग पूल ये आप ले जाइए, यहाँ से घर ले जाइए, अपने बाथरूम में लगाइए अगर बाथरूम बड़ा है, वरना अपने यार्ड में भी लगा सकते हैं। ऑल यहाँ पे 7 के करीब स्विमिंग पूल है। हम एक एक को आपको दिखाते हैं। आप यू विल एक्साइटेड टू सी दो स्विमिंग पूल। लुक, all thing here, massaging and doing a lot of stuff here. You can see from tomorrow you can buy those things, building space. See, look at here, this is only shorter, smaller swimming pool. Warm, cold, snow, soap, everything. ब्यूटीफुल, देखने में बहुत ही खूबसूरत, मगर पैसा भी बड़ा खूबसूरत डॉलर में यू हैव टू पे। सी, लुक एट हियर, आई एम एक्साइटेड टू सी दोज थिंग्स। सी, वेरी अनबिलीवेबल होम शो। सी, ऑल डिफरेंट कलर, डिफरेंट थिंग्स, डिफरेंट स्टफ। What a beautiful, man. I love it. See? Wow. Those are swimming pool, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. What a beautiful, man.
Yeah, lovely, man.
You can install your backyard too.
That's right.
If you don't have room inside.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you got a cover for it too, right? It's
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, if you like to enjoy your life,
That's
fun, then you have to spend little dinero,
That's right.
money.
That's right. Make it worth it.
Oh yeah.
This is nice.
What do you think? How much for this? Is there?
I don't know. I don't.
Is there written? Look like?
I don't see no price. It's heavy too. I bet it's heavy.
Oh yeah, because Chicago weather,
Oh,
they have to protect.
that's right. You got it, brother.
Yes, sir.
You got it.
You have shop too? Are you stabling?
Huh?
You have two in the exhibition?
This?
This is yours?
No. I thought it was yours.
Oh, I will buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Huh? Beautiful. Saying, love where you live. Good luck, everyone. Swimming pool. Expensive, but you know, if you want to get fun, no expensive.